I wanted to present the utility value of the Hindu ecosystem. What all we Hindus are enjoying without even our knowledge. Sometimes because we did not work for it, we just inherited from our elders, we take our heritage for granted. I wanted to remind Hindus it's a time to wake up and not to take Hindu heritage for granted. When you take Hindu heritage for granted, sometimes you become criminally negligent Hindus. So please don't become criminally negligent Hindus by taking Hindu heritage for granted and not doing something to protect this Hindu heritage and Hindu ecosystem. I want first the Hindus to wake up to the utility value of the Hindu heritage and utility value of the Hindu ecosystem. So if you Hindus wake up to this, you will naturally decide to keep the Hindu ecosystem alive and Hindu heritage alive. If you Hindus, practicing Hindus, born and practicing Hindus, if you all decide to understand the utility value of the Hindu ecosystem and the utility value of the Hindu heritage, not only you will decide to keep this Hindu ecosystem and Hindu heritage alive, you will also be able to present it to the whole world with the strength and pride how the Hindu ecosystem is the most peaceful, non-violent, coexisting, happily coexisting and contributing ecosystem and heritage. We are the most ancient, enlightened Hindu civilization. We are the most ancient, enlightened civilization. Hindus are the most ancient, continuous, unbroken, still alive, enlightened civilization. Unfortunately, we Hindus took our Hindu heritage for granted and we are not putting enough effort to keep this heritage alive for the next generation. Hindu ecosystem alive for the next generation. We are losing our next generation. Understand, end of the Hindu ecosystem is end of the humanity. End of the Hindu heritage is end of the humanity. We can't afford this. So, it is time we wake up and give back to Hindu heritage, which gave everything to us. Keep the roots alive so you can enjoy the fruits and your generations can enjoy the fruits of the tree. Let's keep the roots alive. The effort to keep the roots of the Hindu heritage, Hindu ecosystem alive is the Kailasa nation revival of ancient, enlightened Hindu civilizational nation. Let's all come together, share our time, treasure, talent, and make the Kailasa, the enlightened, ancient Hindu civilizational nation alive flourishing, contributing for next generation and the whole world. Let's all come together and make it happen.